Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Experience Knowledge and Share. In this video, we will cover a window issue which occur when we installing a Magento. Uh, after installing Magento, we are getting a blank screen or we are getting invalid template file in the developer mode. And also in this video we'll cover how to upgrade the Magento database schema and data and the a quick look for the fix which can solve our blank screen or invalid template problem and verify the storefront once apply the quick fix. Apart from that, we will have one more issue which is occurring before installing the Magento via command. Like you can say after Composer install, we are getting after Composer install or before, or you can say the using bin Magento setup install command. That time we're getting this error in the window, or that's gd2 wrong file. So we prepared a video and we will share the link in description box. Okay, so please have a look. Hope that can also solve one of problem in the windows. Yeah, before starting the actual part, my name is Kanaya Lal. I'm a Magento 2 front-end developer currently working as a tech lead in Echidna. I am having a 10 plus year of experience in web development. I have completed my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering in 2011. I am a Adobe certified expert, Adobe Commerce front-end developer, as well as Adobe certified professional Adobe Commerce developer. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will get a future notification of our video, and also please like our video. So let's start. In the Magento we have a 4 step to install a Magento from start to end and verify the installation. So we usually require a setup, hosting setup, like a PHP server, PHP language server, and the OS and the Elasticsearch and MySQL. I already have prepared a video which can be utilized and do the needful things. You can get and you can get the idea from that. And the next step is downloading Magento. In that we need to download Magento meta package or Composer meta package, which we can utilize and install the Magento. And then we need to do the Composer install. So in that case also we to find we get the authorized key and we can solve this also without any concern. And the installation Magento, we have to use once the compose install done, we have to use bin slash Magento setup upgrade colon installation with the requested parameters. So once you hit that command, we will have one issue which we fix in another video. I'll share the link. The issues regarding to the gd2 wrong file. So I'll share that link in the description box. Please have a look, and that's usually occur in the window. And the last step is once the command done, that's window one problem solved. Then when you see the storefront, then we are getting a blank screen or invalid template kind of uh, a browser have the page level error, okay, exception. So how we can fix, we'll cover in the upcoming part of the video. Okay, so yeah. So before going to that actual window issue, we have to be see that how we can upgrade the Magento database schema and data. Okay, it's done via one of Magento command. So anytime we perform an action that cause the changes, so or like we can say the upgrading the Magento software or installing or updating the Magento component, or we can enable or disable the Magento component. A component can be a module, a theme, or the language package, or any third-party module which can be purchased from marketplace or from the third-party organization also. So yeah, so how we can do the upgrade part? So we have to use the setup upgrade command, which can help us make this action to be done. Like we have command will be something like a bin slash Magento space setup colon upgrade. Okay, so once this command is done, compilation and deploy the code. So once setup upgrade done, we have to do the first time at least we can do that setup di compile, and then we need to do the setup static content deploy, which will help to generate our static content. If we are in default or developer mode, please use -F at last as a forcefully do the deploy and clean the cache. So once that is done and we go to storefront or the admin panel with the respective URLs and reload that page, we will getting like this kind of a screen. If we are in a default mode or the production mode, if we not change that then default mode, then we are getting something like this screen. So there is a not header is not proper and the logo is missing and some content area not loading properly and footer also might breaking. A similar thing in admin also we see the just kind of blank screen. There's nothing else loading. It's like a black color screen will come. So yeah, so this is the this is the concern after installing in the window. And the similar thing, similar issue is there in the developer mode. Is a developer mode, so you can see the upfront error message. So it's like exception in storefront. It's like something like invalid template file, and the admin also similar kind of with the admin Magento backend module. Okay, so you can see this kind of exception. It means it's have an issue in the window. So how we can fix it? So what we can do and we can fix it. So we need to either go to this or vendor file in the Magento module, the framework file, view element template file validate, and line number 136. There is a function is path in directories. In the this function is the responsible. This function is actually the having the concern. So we need to solve this one. How we can do is we can add this a line of code like dollar the same variable just to we need to do replacement of the backward slash with the forward slash, and yeah, that's it. So that will solve our problem. We need just so this line of code can solve our problem. And also to simplify, we created a public repository and added to the my GitHub account. You can check that one from github.com, that kanhaiya 5590 slash this is the path. So we can go and we can either clone the repository or we can get the direct patch file, which we can utilize and get we can apply patch and we can solve this blank screen problem. So as soon as we apply the patch or we apply the respective code change, and then we'll see the storefront something like this. So when you reload again the page, we might face some kind of issue, some CSS, some JS, some might not loaded. So better we need to do after applying patch, we can do again static content deploy. Again same thing, if you're a developer or the default mode, use -F command and then clean the cache, and you can you will get a home page like this. So if you have sample data, you will get with sample data. If you have no sample data, then your home page will be something like this. And if it's your admin panel, once you log in, you will get like this the dashboard of your page. So it means you verified your site is working as expected and the Windows basic problems are resolved with the Magento using these two said patch. One is now in this video we explained, and one is another one that's GD2 wrong file. So yeah, that's it. And hope that way you can be assured like your Magento installation process is done and your installation flows can verified, like you did the setup download meta package, install Magento and verified now. So that way your storefront is now working as expected. And yeah, that's it for this video, and we hope you enjoy our session. And if you have any question or suggestion, please feel free to share it with me. And also please don't forget to like the video if you like that. And also please till the time enjoy and be safe. And if you going outside or anywhere, please avoid the crowding area, and also please wear the mask and sanitizer to avoid this pandemic, and hope will be all good and will be stay safe. See you again in the next session. And also please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you. That's it for this video.